Fe2 plus here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is huge. Used to have one more, but they have removed it, right? And then left with this one. I will put a damn big star here. The Fe2 plus is another one because there's not much chemical reaction. So you have halogen displacement, you get reaction with Fe2 plus, you got thiosulfate. So these are called standard. Listen carefully here. I just told you the old syllabus got a few more. They have removed it. So there's a chance they will test you the old syllabus one. It doesn't matter because the equation will be given to you. Your job is to discuss. How to discuss? Exactly like all these examples here. Am I okay? So you play the way that we play here, and you get ready to apply. So this has to react with thiosulfate. So what's the story? Chlorine and bromine reacts this way. All right, so here we go. Chlorine and bromine, I'll just have chlorine. So bromine look exactly the same, the equation. It can oxidize your thiosulfate. All right, your thiosulfate. To what? To sulfate ions. Iodine oxidized through a different equation. Thiosulfate doesn't become sulfate. It becomes this one. S2O3 minus. So your job is to discuss why chlorine and bromine are stronger oxidizing agent. It's simply using the oxidation state. So chlorine is acting as an oxidizing agent over here once again. It causes the oxidation state of sulfur here to increase from +2 to +6 in sulfate. So what's the increment? The change in the oxidation state of sulfur is 4 units. You have to mention that. Whereas iodine go through a different chemical reaction, gives you a different product. The oxidation state increased from +2 here to +2.5 here. And therefore, write the same statement. This time, it only increased 0.5 units. Ladies and gentlemen, that proved to me that chlorine, bromine are stronger oxidizing agent. I.e., in group 17, the oxidizing ability, the oxidizing strength, the oxidizing power decreases. Full stop. Usually 3 marks to 4 marks because you're writing equation. And it's full marks. Okay, now then the question next is what? All right, so we have concluded this, okay? But each equation 1 mark. So how to find this equation? Need to memorize or not? That's always the question, right? But before you even balance the equation and write out the equation, what you need to do? You need to understand and appreciate. Now, first, this is very easy. You know this will become this. Make sense? And you know that this will become this because it must itself get reduced. Make sense? So the next question is, can you remember that this become, what color I use? This. Can you remember that on this side, this become this? I try to not memorize too much. Correct? Minimize. So my question is, can we pull this out from where? Data booklet. So which one can? Both can or both can't? Or one can, one cannot? Have you prepared yourself for it? I have. And I can share with you only one can. You don't go in there and get slaughtered because you've got no time to recap on. You prepare, go in and throw. Your job is to apply to the weird question. Those standard questions, you cannot spend 5 seconds there trying to recollect and recap. You're too slow. You go in, you have to start writing once you see the question. Ladies and gentlemen, thiosulfate S2O3 2-. I only seen it once. Congratulations, the iodine one is there. So this one is given. Chlorine and the bromine one is not given. So that is your pain. You better get ready for the pain. And make it painful before you go to exam. Pain now better than exam pain. Are you with me? Can? So that one, you don't memorize, then just go there and balance it out quite fast. If not, then just memorize it. Once again, it's your choice. All right? But you cannot tell me go there, oh, I'm not ready. I cannot recall. That sucks. Correct? So to memorize this, you better take a rough paper and go and practice. Because the number damn big. Okay? If they ask you write equation, all equation must have state symbols, or rather, it must be balanced bare minimum. Okay? All the best. Good luck to you. Okay, so get yourself ready. If you would like to catch my latest videos, click on subscribe button right now. And click on the bell if you want to receive instant notifications once I've uploaded my latest video. If you would like to join my live chemistry classes and revision workshops, Go on to winnerseducation.com and find out how you can score distinction for chemistry on a consistent basis, either in our center or online via Zoom. If you want to check out my online school, go on to passwithdistinction.teachable.com. You'll be able to learn chemistry concepts at your own pace and anywhere in the world, topic by topic. This is Sean Chua from Winners Education, to your distinction in chemistry.